when I went on her page and seen her pictures, I said, "Oh, jump scare."
गुड मॉर्निंग। आज मेरा फेयरवेल है। मैंने अभी एक वीडियो रिकॉर्ड किया बट देन आई रियलाइज मेरे माइक ही नहीं लगाया था तो आवाज़ ही नहीं आई। एंड देन सेकेंडली आई रियलाइज दैट आई हैड नॉट रिकॉर्डेड ओनली। सो yes, it's 10 in the morning and I'm wearing a suit. I mean business. ज़्यादा तो कुछ नहीं, आज फेयरवेल है मेरा। It's at 2 o'clock. I have lots of time. I was just figuring out what band to wear because I had this vision, okay, of me in a black, it's a black blazer with this shirt and a cream color pant because my school farewell was also the same. I was wearing a white shirt with a light color pant and it looked good. But now everyone is saying you should wear black pants, not cream color. So I might wear black. It's more casual, formal than rather formal. Like I'm not wearing formals. This is not formal. This is very casual. And yeah. So let's talk about how's life going on lately. I'm just gonna get one. Realize I don't want to hold the mic, so I just put it on my fan, and then I can do this. Wow. Anyways, I've not spoken, like I've not vlogged in a very long time. I think the last time I vlogged was with me and Shriya going to Prithvi Theatre. But वो तो flop निकला क्योंकि mostly the vlog part was about me only and not about Shriya. And I realized I've been seeing a lot of these influencers doing a lot of videos where they just sit and talk, and I realized I should also do that. That's why I'm talking. If you don't want to hear me talk, you can skip ahead, but I'll be probably talking for a long time, so you are stuck, bitch. Anyways, I always get confused. Do I look at the camera or do I look at myself? I'm going to look at the camera. Anyways, I'm talking to you. Please excuse my face. I just woke up. Just literally like just 10 minutes ago. Anyways, so yeah, our thoughts about farewell and thoughts about college ending. Let's talk about that. Because I genuinely was thinking about this last night. I mean, yesterday was our last lecture. Last lecture of 2 years. Can you believe that? I was going through my gallery and then I got these photos of um, June 24, I think. Uh, 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 no, our college started in July, I think 18th. July 16th was our induction. Induction? Induction ही बोलते हैं ना? I don't know. July 18th को एक session था, and from July 22nd I remember they started college. I remember that very well. And it's today is March 17th. That's 2 years are over. And I was just thinking about this because in UG, in undergrad, first year was COVID. Second year, I did go to college, but I was doing part-time job. So I was thoda in between. Third year, I was again working only in college, but I was going only for one semester I went because we had to make newspapers and I did not know how to do that, so I had to go for that and learn from that. But I didn't really have that much of a life where I could really, think about memories. I do remember like the last day of exams. I'll put a picture. Our last day of exams. After that, we really had our farewell. No, I think our farewell happened before. No, our farewell happened afterwards because I didn't go to my farewell because I don't know, I just didn't vibe to it. I instead went to NCBA. Yeah, I got to watch Sridevi Nitralya, so that's one thing. And but I do remember being a bit sad and holding such some memories of my time in HR college in on the day of our last paper, and we all took a class picture because we were only 7 journo kids, and that was really sad. But this time around, I feel it's even sadder because it's been 2 years of coming every day to college, spending a good 2 to 3 hours every day, then coming home doing assignments, and not only in college with teachers but with friends also. I made very great friends, and I'm really going to miss all of them, you know, genuinely. Like one of my very good friends, Ethan, who has helped me shoot a lot of my videos and my reels as well, he's going to go to Bangalore. So I'm going to really miss him, like, you know, because I feel lately we've been meeting a lot. I think my mom can also testify to it because she's had a lot of problems. She like सारखं ते इथनला भेटायला जात असतोस तू. But yeah, I think uh, I'm really going to miss them. So many of my friends, Sharmin, Sakshi, Soumya, Akshaya. I recently made friends with advertising kids also. So I feel all in all, it's gonna it was very emotional. I don't know last night, and I was going through all those pictures, you know, where we all attended our events and you know stupidity nonsense we used to do in class, and not just my friends but also my teachers, you know. Although there were certain moments I feel in the 2 years that my teachers were acting quite random, like, you know, you question, right, like this does not make sense or they have not taught the portion only. But all in all, in overall, I would say I will really miss my teachers because they were really you know great and helped a lot in ways that I think I didn't understand at that time, but I do understand them now. So I'm really going to miss my teachers. I'm really going to miss my canteen food. Somaya ka canteen food is so good, so good. Like just I the dosa. Oh my god, I'm really going to miss Somaya ka canteen food. You know, and yeah, I don't know. Like I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I'm going to miss the entire campus. You know, hanging out. Um, it was 2 years were really great, and they went by so quickly. You know, I still remember our first month in college, and our teachers were very much like, "Oh, your academic year is going to get." You mean your 24-26 year will get over in March and April. You need to start preparing for your dissertation and all of this in the first semester. And I remember thinking, "अरे बहुत time है यार अभी से क्या?" I mean there was time, but now it feels like everything has gone by so quickly. Like so quickly everything went by. Like I didn't know first semester कब खत्म हो गया, second semester आ गया, third semester, second year started, third semester also started with that, and then I remember fourth semester started in November, half of November I think, and it just went by so quickly. And I'm now, I mean at that time also I felt November ही है, December आएगा, then Jan, then Feb, and now we are in March. 25th is my first paper, 30th is my second, I'll be done. 10th April is my final viva. उसके पहले मुझे मेरा पूरा dissertation submit करना है. And and I still remember in that first year being so scared of like, what am I going to do in my dissertation? How is it going to go? How is my viva going to go? And all of that. And now I feel like I have done it. I've actually been able to do it, you know, and I'm really proud of myself because looking back, I really don't think that would have been possible. But I think with the help of my friends and my teachers and my guide. As you can see, the beautification process has started. This is a face mask, charcoal face mask, okay? I'm not doing black face. Yeah. Anyways, मुझे इतना लेट हो गया ये पहले का वीडियो शूट करते होए होए. I can't speak. It feels like I have Botox. But yeah, I have to take a bath, get ready, wash my hair, iron my clothes, and then leave. Okay, bye. हम लोग आ गए फेयरवेल.
जब वो बोला था ना ट्रेडिशनल ट्रेडिशनल
Farewell. Guys, hello, bolo. Hello. How is your day going so far?
गर्मी थोड़ा सा है बट ठीक है, इट्स ओके. आई एम कैमरा कॉन्शियस, सॉरी.
What is your favorite memory with me in these 2 years?
Anjan is very soft-hearted. He touches his feminine side. He is a very good guy.
Thank you. What is your most favorite memory with me in these 2 years? She's thinking.
हम अभी भी बात करने लगे ना ज़्यादा।
बात ही नहीं कर रही है. What is your most favorite memory with me in these 2 years?
Bhopal trip. Sandupam.
Wow. What is your favorite memory with me in these 2 years?
ऐसा मत बोलो, भूल जाऊंगी।
हाँ? IB ना.
IB हाँ हाँ IB
How was
में
the IB?
मस्त। वो ADC वाला।
हम लोग ने बहुत मजा किया.
वो था ना तुम लोग का ऐसा वाला।
हाँ.
क्या था?
What is your favorite? What is your favorite memory with me in these 2 years? This is going to go on YouTube. My family is going to see this.
Fuck your family.
फेयरवेल खत्म हो गया. आप दोनों का ओपिनियन क्या है?
बहुत मजा आया आना।
मजा आया. खाना खाना तो तुम नहीं खाओगी.
क्लोज है मेरा।
How was your opinion?
ग्रेट।
Your opinion, Dada? But what was your overall farewell?
Go to sleep. But it was nice.
नहीं हम अंजना के फील्ड में आएंगे। दैट
Yes.
इज अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर अस।
What was your opinion of this farewell?
ठीक ठीक था. कोठे में नाच रहे से लग रहे थे सब लोग.
ये बहुत गंदा रिएक्शन दिया इसने.
यार।
इसको इसकी आदत है इसलिए
तू
बोल.
ये स्टोरी पे डालेगा?
ये व्लॉग में जाएगा.
रुको मेरे खेती में ना फक्स उगाता हूँ फिर आपको फक्स दूंगा. फिलहाल बारिश हुई नहीं अभी फक्स उगे नहीं है तो आपको फक्स बाद में.
ठीक है. प्लीज. आई लव दैट कम बैक.
यस यस.
आपका क्या था? ओ शांतनु.
नहीं कुछ नहीं. अच्छा था. कुछ नहीं. हर्षल नाचा फैलते हैं पहली बार उसको नाचते हुए देखा तो अच्छा लगा.
पहली बार लोंडा ने देखा उसने. हमेशा कोठे में लोंडिया नाच देखते हैं.
So tired. Are you tired?
हाँ आई एम सो टायर्ड। आई एम सो टायर्ड।
What is one thing you would miss about Somaya other than your teachers and friends?
नथिंग।
I'm going to miss the food. What about you?
I'm going to miss the AC classes.
Okay, as if AC does not exist anywhere else.
No, other colleges don't have AC, no, Anjana.
हम लोग ने अभी इतना नाचा. हम लोग तीन घंटे तो नाचे रहे थे. अभी हम फिनिक्स मार्केट सिटी जाएंगे. And I didn't vlog much during the dance because the music was so loud. We couldn't hear what we were only saying.
They have become deaf.
I literally became deaf. Anyways, we have booked a rickshaw. रिक्शा आएगी तो हम फिनिक्स मार्केट सिटी जाएंगे. हम लोग ने अभी रिक्शा ले लिया है. Where are we going? I already said we are going to Phoenix Market City.
I thought we were going to Phoenix Palladium.
What? Anyways, हम लोग का ओरिजिनल प्लान था कि फेयरवेल छोड़ के वी विल गो बॉलिंग. बट फेयरवेल पूरा ही मजा आया.
We were bowled over by the friend.
Yeah. 3 hours we danced. So we are like now it's.
Appreciate my puns.
I didn't hear only. Sorry.
I worked very hard on it.
तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं डिनर / खाना खाने. शर्मिन तो 6 बजे के बाद ही खाएंगे।
का पार्टी।
हाँ हाँ, अरे तुझे बिल भरना चाहिए, शर्मिन को बिल भरना चाहिए। यस,
शर्मिन इज इफ्तारी का पार्टी।
शर्मिन इज गोइंग टू पे आवर बिल। अभी तो हम हर रेस्टोरेंट से थोड़ा थोड़ा लेंगे, फूड कोर्ट जाएंगे।
मैंने क्या बोली कि तुमको इफ्तारी बॉक्स तो दूंगी। मैंने मम्मी से बात कर ली।
आज
होममेड इफ्तारी खाने में ज्यादा मजा आता है। आज क्या?
आज
चुप रहे।
आज
आज
शो द फोटो इन द ब्लॉग, शो द फोटो।
कॉल करके बोलो कि
सी द हमारा क्लास का फोटो देखो प्लीज। Some people have closed their eyes. One person came but could not be in the photo only.
some people look possessed. I will not point out, but if you see the photo, you
The three of us have come good.
just pause the video at the point and you'll know who's possessed.
Yeah. Comment down below who is possessed and who do you think should be possessed. Bye. हम लोग अभी ट्रैफिक में अटके पड़े हैं, but look at my face. Look at the moisturizer. Wow.
Sunscreen.
I didn't put sunscreen. I put moisturizer. Actually glow हो रहा है ना, देखना.
I think that is sweat.
Shut up. I'm not sweating. You are sweating 24/7.
Does it look like sweat? Can you see a drop?
हम ट्रैफिक में रुके पड़े हैं. What is the message you like to give to all the people who didn't come today? I'm keeping in the middle.
Your loss. Sad life.
Wait, it was really fun, right?
You think you have not missed something good, but you have missed.
You have missed, definitely.
But of course, for those who do not mix with others and like to be by themselves, it's your gain because anyway you would not have done anything. So I'm being very frank with my words.
Do you want to name them?
No, I prefer not because there were many that I know of from multiple batches.
हमारे क्लास में 13 जन है और हम कितने थे? 5 जन, 6 हम लोग 6 थे। एडवर्टाइजिंग के क्लास में 37 है, आए 7, 30 लोग नहीं आए, 10 आए थे। हाँ, ब्रेकफास्ट क्लब भी आए थे।
ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए नहीं गया। Sorry, we went for lunch. I don't know what.
We didn't go for lunch. We have been given this Jimmy boy. उसमें क्या है? किसी ने खोला है?
Manifesting that I'm getting chicken puff.
It's not. It's vegetable puff, real mango juice, and some third class sandwich.
Manifestation will turn the vegetable to chicken.
एक फोटो लेते हैं.
Is that coming in the video?
Yeah. अरे, the sun is looking too good, yeah.
Take a regular photo, no?
Anyways, we'll meet you at Market City. Bye. हम लोग टाको बेल आए, खाना खा के जाएंगे। शर्मे ने उसकी इफ्तारी पानी पी ली है। तालिया बजा। हमारे पास लाइव साउंड इफेक्ट्स भी है गाइस। What would you like to say?
For what?
Just anything.
Nothing.
ये YouTube पे जाएगा, आपको ओके है ना इससे? आपके घर वाले आके मेरे को परेशान नहीं करेंगे ना? नहीं ना?
नहीं.
Use your friend for content, guys. सब मोटे हो रहे हैं, सब मोटे हो रहे हैं, और ये मोटा गेंडा।
I'm becoming thin.
Sure, huh?
I'm becoming a stick.
If you are becoming thin, then sun is rising from the west.
Yes.
हम लोग पेट पूजा कर रहे हैं अभी। दिखाओ चेहरा अपना।
Why are you coming so flat?
पेट भर के बहुत अच्छा लगे। हाउ डू यू फील? We are all very tired. I don't know how we are going to go home now. I'm probably going to go and put my feet in hot water. I'm very tired. Are you tired?
No, not really.
Are you tired? Wow, ये देखो
Shermin, you know very well. The east.
हम लोग ने इधर बहुत खाया है, अभी हम इधर से जाएंगे. किधर है? भाई अच्छा, मुझे अभी याद आया. अभी मेरे साथ हादसा हुआ. ईथन, कैन यू प्लीज नरेट व्हाट हैपेंड?
So basically, Anjane became an old man. Like how we forget old spectacles and all. He saw his class photograph, but he just walked past it. He reached the entrance of Phoenix, and then he's like, "Hey, मेरा photograph किधर है?"
So शर्मिन का फोन गिरा and I realized why उसके हाथ में इतना सामान क्यों है. Then I saw कि उसके हाथ में वो फोटो है ना. सर मेरा फोटो किधर है? So we had to go all the way back to the restaurant, get it. Now I have it and now we are going. बेचारी शर्मिन को भी तक ऊबर मिला नहीं है, बट हम जा रहे हैं. हमारे टैक्सी वाले को सुसु लगी. I will say today was a very fulfilling day. आज का दिन बहुत अच्छा गया, बहुत मज़ा की सबके साथ, बहुत नाचे खाए अच्छे से, बहुत गॉसिप भी की, अच्छे से बात हुआ, टीचर्स के साथ फ़ोटो लिए, बहुत मेमोरीज़ को वापस रिलीव किया. एंड आई विल से टुडे वाज अ गुड डे. या सो दैट्स द एंड ऑफ द व्लॉग. आई एम गोना गो होम एंड व्हाट आर यू गोना डू होम व्हेन यू गो होम?
Finish chapter 5.
He's been saying that for the past 5 days. I don't believe him, but
Every day I'm doing.
yeah, he's doing one line, and now submission time has come. Anyways, so I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna chill, sleep. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my vlog. Bye. Today's overall experience.
2 days.
Today's.
Today's overall experience.
Who is old, me or you, that you can't hear?
Satisfied. He didn't let me answer. See, it's
please.
satisfying,
That's it.
enjoyable. दिल से खुश है.
You know, you remind me. In this darkness, you look like someone.
I look like Mark Zuckerberg.
See, this is what I have to deal with every day. अभी 2 साल खत्म हो गया. अभी कौन परेशान करेगा मुझे? बाप रे. Are you going to miss me?
No.
Be honest.
No, not fully. Every new place gives new experiences. So as I move to new places, I get new
So
experiences.
you'll not miss me?
That is if he sponsors Starbucks coffee.
Look at this. Big manga. Say
Not
honestly.
big manga. I have
Say
helped him
honestly.
so much that
Say honestly.
I require the return
Don't do any bits.
so much
Say
of Starbucks.
honestly. Say honestly. Will you miss me or not?
50-50. Let me be very diplomatic.
No. You need to be honest.
Yeah, I'm honest only. My honesty is through diplomacy.
What a
That's
fake
why I've
ass.
got a coat. Where's your coat?
It's behind me. I did not forget my coat. Please. मेरा कोट नहीं है, मेरे फ्रेंड का है. मुझे वापस देना है उसको.
But his coat has got Anjane written on it.
वो मुझे पता भी नहीं था. इसने आके मुझे पॉइंट आउट किया. No, tell me honestly. Will you miss me? Yes or no?
Tough to say. We shall
Oh, no.
we shall bring up this conversation in 6 months' time.
He means yes. See, this is what the assholegiri I have to deal with every day. Gosh. So it's day 2. It's the day after farewell. I realized I was just going through the footage, and I realized I've not spoken at the end quite a lot because I do want to talk about my thoughts, but I didn't do that. The last clip you saw probably was me in the taxi. But I just want to say that I took a lot of photos. I'm going to make a montage, and I'll put all the photos right now. see how pretty I looked, see how beautiful the lighting was, and all my wonderful friends and teachers. Anyways, I just want to say that I had a blast of a time. Honestly, I mean, going into the freshers thing, because of it being in an open space and the over alarming heat. I really had no expectations of how this is going to go, but I had a lot of fun time. Like, I think we were just dancing from 2 o'clock to 5:30. We were just dancing, and to do that in full formals with very less air conditioning was a challenge, but we did it. And you know, basically, I'm doing taking this video to talk about my photos. And because many photos लिए मैंने, I didn't take videos and I didn't take live photos also, so I could put it in a video. Anyways, yeah, I mean, I'm really going to miss my college. I'm really going to miss my friends. जो friends इधर है, I will meet them, hopefully. जो नहीं होंगे, I will talk to them, hopefully meet them some days. And I'm going to miss my canteen ka food. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video and you watch the next one, watch the previous one, subscribe to my channel. Hello, hi. Anyways, yeah, anyways, bye.